if we try to realize our ambitions in the transition towards a circular economy for packaging, we need to take all the local context into account. If our packaging is technically recyclable, it doesn't mean it is actually collected, sorted and recycled in practice. So if we want to claim recyclable packaging, we look at all these four aspects. Is the packaging designed for circularity? Is there a collection scheme in place? Is there a sorting technology in place at scale? And is there recycling at scale? If that is the case, it also needs to be funded. And we call that mature end markets. Our packaging materials can be collected, sorted and recycled, and through a system of extended producer responsibility, we are in favor of that policy to make sure there's also a funding scheme. So as Unilever, we support the use of the implementation of extended producer responsibility schemes, which in fact mean that as a company putting packaging materials on the market, we are also responsible financially and organizationally to make sure packaging is collected, sorted and recycled for a certain percentage. For plastic, the percentages are set at the European level, and for older materials, glass, paper, board, and in other countries, those EPR schemes are being set up. We think this is a good system because we can jointly then, as a fast-moving consumer goods sector, take responsibility for all the packaging materials. It's not Unilever alone doing that, it's all our competitors as well, including retail. And that strongly improves recyclability and circular systems across the world. Because sometimes packaging materials end up with a negative cost, so it is not worth any money yet. We think it will be in the future, and those materials are then funded through EPR schemes. Those differ per market, so we look at all the local context. If certain packaging can answer yes on those four questions in a specific market. We definitely design for specific regions. If you look at the waste infrastructure or in Europe, it is relatively advanced, but it is far from where we need to be. In other markets, the infrastructure is completely lacking or absent, and we try to set those infrastructures up together with more informal waste banks or with governments together to make sure that substantial investments are done to collect packaging materials ranging from glass to plastics to metals and wood. And paper. And if certain packaging materials have a high chances of recyclability or recycling, then we are of course in favor of those materials. And if you really zoom in to specific polymer types, it can be the case that some polymer types are often collected for recycling in a specific market, like PET, and others are not yet. So PP, for instance. And if we have then the option to use PET for our packaging materials, we will. Because we can then contribute to the recycling schemes. We also have an interest to develop more and advanced waste infrastructures because we feel packaging, of course, we are still dependent on it also in the future, and we can make substantial steps in the terms of sustainability, but we are also very dependent on local infrastructures and local waste policies.